Breaking developments now coming in expectedly day after Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia joined Congress. Former WFI chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh has slammed Vinesh and Bajrang's joining the politics. In fact, has said that 2023 agitation was politically motivated. The whole agitation was sponsored and scripted by the Congress. We were expecting a reaction from Brij Bhushan, and here he is coming out and slamming the Congress as well as the wrestlers for entering the political fray. Listen in to what ex-WFI president has to say.
18 जनवरी को जब जंतर मंतर पर 2023 में धरना प्रारंभ हुआ था, तो मैंने पहले दिन कहा था कि ये खिलाड़ियों का आंदोलन नहीं है, इसके पीछे कांग्रेस है। विशेष करके भूपेंद्र हुड्डा, दीपेंद्र हुड्डा, प्रियंका जी, राहुल जी, ये कांग्रेस का आंदोलन है। और आज ये बात सच साबित हुई कि इस पूरे आंदोलन में या हमारे खिलाफ जो षड्यंत्र हुआ, इसमें कांग्रेस शामिल थी और जिसको लीड भूपेंद्र हुड्डा कर रहे थे।
Pallavi continues to stay on with us on the broadcast. Pallavi, we were just expecting this reaction coming in from Brij Bhushan, and he has spoken, slamming the Congress again, saying that this was all motivated by them. It was a political move. And in fact, now wrestlers joining the political fray proves his point.
You know, Sakshi, even when those protests were going on and those attacks were taking place on Brij Bhushan Singh, and the Congress was demanding that the BJP must distance itself from him and not give him a ticket. In fact, his son got a ticket from his constituency. At that point of time, often Brij Bhushan Singh could be heard saying that this entire wrestlers' agitation is politically motivated. It is something which is being instigated by the Congress and the other opposition parties. And, you know, when you had pictures of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra sitting with the wrestlers, particularly with Vinesh Phogat, Dipender Hooda going there. Then Dipender Hooda goes to the international airport to receive Vinesh Phogat after the Olympics. More and more he started saying this, that look, I have been telling you from day one, there is nothing in those allegations against me. The case is, the law is taking its own course, but this is something which is being pushed in by the Congress party. The day Bajrang Punia and Vinesh Phogat officially joined the Congress party, you have that reaction from Brij Bhushan Singh. So I'm not surprised at his comments. This was kind of expected because his line has always been this. It's a politically engineered agitation which took place.
And in fact, it was very interesting to see that Bajrang actually said that all the political parties without any invitation joined their movement last year. But except for BJP, further cementing what Brij Bhushan has been saying. Pallavi, thank you so much for shedding light on all of those developments. We'll keep coming back to you.